Welcome to Compare to Win. The best dollar store finds is probably one of the most exciting and budget-friendly ways to discover fantastic items for children without breaking the bank, offering a treasure trove of possibilities for parents and kids alike who are looking for affordable fun and educational toys, crafts, and essentials that prove you don't need to spend a fortune to bring smiles and learning into a child's life. Number 5. Fruit of the Loom Girls Cotton Brief Underwear. Experience ultimate comfort with our 100% cotton briefs. They are designed to be soft against the skin and breathable for all-day wear. These briefs are the perfect foundation for any outfit. They offer a comfortable fit that stays in place throughout the day. Say goodbye to irritating tags. Our tag-free design ensures maximum comfort, so she can focus on her day. Built to last through countless washes and wears. You can rely on their durability for long-term use. Get great value with our convenient multipacks. Stock up on her favorite underwear essentials without breaking the bank. Choose a brand you can trust for quality and comfort. We're dedicated to providing reliable underwear for your little one. What we like? These are incredibly soft and comfortable for everyday wear. If you're looking for basic, reliable underwear that won't break the bank, these are a fantastic choice. They offer great value for a multipack, making them perfect for stocking up. What people say. The product is very durable. It is a great learning toy for kids. The design is very appealing to children. Number 4. Wikki Stix for Doodlers, neon and primary colors. Introducing Wikki Stix for Doodlers, the ultimate travel essential for kids. Keep them entertained creatively on any journey, without needing screens. Make vacation time memorable with this perfect companion. It offers endless creative entertainment that's mess-free and engaging for every moment. More than just a toy, it's a stress reducer and fidget tool. The tactile experience helps calm fidgety fingers and promotes relaxation. Looking for a great gift? It's ideal as a stocking stuffer, party prize, or a thoughtful present for kids and adults alike. This compact tube contains 24 6-inch sticks, perfect for those moments of downtime. Take creativity with you wherever you go. Spark imagination with these versatile sticks. They can be shaped, twisted, and combined to bring 3D designs to life, fostering artistic expression. What we like? This is a perfect travel companion for keeping kids entertained without screens. If you need a mess-free activity for long journeys or quiet time, these are ideal. They also double as a great fidget toy for calming down. What people say. The product is very durable and has held up well to rough play. The design is very appealing to children, with bright colors and fun shapes. It's a great educational toy that helps kids develop fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. Number 3. Hockvill LCD Writing Tablet for Kids. Discover a fun and educational way for your child to draw and write. This tablet encourages creativity while keeping them away from screens and protecting their eyes. Experience vibrant, colorful lines with our advanced LCD technology. It's radiation-free, ensuring a safe and engaging writing experience for little hands. With a simple press of a button, the screen clears instantly for endless doodling. A lock key also saves their masterpieces, providing hours of creative fun. Designed for durability and portability, this lightweight tablet is perfect for travel. It's built to withstand your child's adventures, keeping them entertained anywhere. This magic tablet can be erased and rewritten over 200,000 times. It's a long-lasting and eco-friendly choice for your child's artistic journey. Looking for an ideal gift? This multifunctional tablet is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, sparking joy and learning for children aged 3 and up. What we like? This offers a fun and educational way for kids to draw and write without harsh electronics. If you want to encourage creativity while protecting your child's eyes, this is a great option. It's also reusable, making it an eco-friendly and long-lasting gift. What people say. It draws well and one button click erases. No mess, easy to use and easy to carry. Very lightweight and not too larger. Perfect for kids learning to write or who just like to draw. It works well and I love that it has a lock feature to it. He's very intrigued by it for sure because of the bright colors and it does keep him engaged for quite a while. Number 2. Lip Smacker Cotton Candy Flavored Lip Balm. Get ready for a burst of deliciousness with our cotton candy flavored lip balm. It's the perfect way to add a touch of sweetness to your day. This balm not only tastes amazing but also moisturizes your lips, leaving them feeling soft and smooth with a gentle shine. Keep your lips hydrated and protected throughout the day. Its nourishing formula ensures your lips stay comfortable and healthy. Feel good about what you're using. Our lip balm is proudly cruelty-free and vegan, so you can enjoy it guilt-free. Indulge in the fun and tasty flavor of cotton candy. It's a delightful treat for your lips that you'll reach for again and again. What we like. This is a fun and tasty way to keep lips soft and hydrated. If your child loves fun flavors and you want a simple, cruelty-free lip balm, this is a great pick. It's perfect for a small treat or stocking stuffer. What people say. The product is durable and has held up well to rough play. The colors are vibrant and attractive to children. It's a great size for little hands to hold and manipulate. Number 1. DMI Mini 20-piece First Aid Kit. Introducing the DMI Mini First Aid Kit, your essential companion for life's little accidents. This compact kit is perfect for addressing minor cuts and scrapes on the go. Designed for convenience, its small and portable size makes it easy to carry anywhere. Keep it in your car, bag, or desk for immediate access when needed. The durable, water-resistant case ensures your supplies stay protected and dry, no matter the conditions. It's built to last and keep your essentials safe. This versatile kit is suitable for all-purpose use, providing the essentials for common minor injuries. Be prepared for anything with this handy solution. Good news. This essential first aid solution is eligible for FSA and HSA spending. Make a smart choice for your health and well-being. What we like. This is a convenient and portable solution for minor scrapes and cuts. If you need a small, reliable first aid kit for on-the-go emergencies, this is perfect. Its durable, water-resistant case makes it ideal for backpacks or purses. What people say. This little box fits right into my suitcase, and whenever that time arrives, which hopefully isn't often, I'm prepared. It could easily fit in a purse or travel bag as well without taking up much space. Inside are 2 medium-sized gauze pads, 4 mini band-aids, 6 medium band-aids, 6 alcohol prep pads, a gauze bandage roll and a small tape roll. The kit provides multiple options from band-aids to alcohol prep. Has a variety of bandages and lubricants and a great value. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.